So here in Canary Wharf, we've got a venue of 21 cubes. Each cube's 4 by 4 metre in size. It's double glazed glass. We've got LED floor, we've got LED screens, which are direct replicates of what you'd have seen on the ITV game show. My name's David Ireland. I'm the design manager for Mellors Group Urban Playground. My responsibility is to work on the new product development of bringing new attractions into our social entertainment venues. Here our customers play 7 games to really experience what it would have felt like to play the game show. You know, we're creating those huge moments of euphoria where someone's won the game, they're getting excited by it, or we're creating the point where your friend's lost and they're super disappointed. So we have got moving headlights, pinpoint lights, we've got external LED lighting, we've got AV that's integrated into the whole cube attraction, and all of those systems are talking and working together. If we didn't have that unity, the attraction wouldn't have the impact and the effect that it does for the customer. So the requirement for the LED was high. We needed 21 3 metre by 1 metre screens for every single cube. We needed 5 in-venue screens ranging from 4 metres to 3 metres being a medium-sized screen. But we've also got like our main sort of area downstairs at the main bar, which is the winner's wall. The winner's wall is this big 4.5 metre curved screen. Finding a supplier that could both match quality and price and a lead time, you know, the golden triangle, was very, very difficult. When looking for a solution, LED Studio were brilliant. They were competitive on price, they were competitive on lead time, and they really produced really high quality workmanship. They were instrumental with getting the project across the line within the time scale. And yeah, we just like to say thank you really to the team.
It was a tight journey in terms of manufacture, delivering and installing. My name's Kevin Yates. I work in business development for the LED Studio, focusing on entertainment and sports. COB was selected as the product for this installation. COB is proving to be a game changer, not just where you require the ruggedness of the finish, but its power consumption from a sustainability point of view, and it looks good. So yeah, LED, we would normally be the last thing to be installed in any new build. We were up against it with time with the client, but we were able, with the team that we had, we were able to come into a dirty site and start the install for the client and deliver for the client on time within very tight timescales. So in terms of us being awarded the contract, I think the fact that we could deliver within the time frame and we could deliver a quality solution within the time frame would have been a huge factor in moving forward with the LED Studio.
I mean, the LED displays they are so powerful in what they can do. And now with the quality that we've got on show, the in-game screens that we've got are the big 3 metre screens we've across the back of the cube. You know, they're now communicating what the name of the game is. They communicate who's playing. We've got photos of the customers that can be displayed on there in a resolution where it's not, it's not like the 1990s, like a dot pixel resolution. So you can actually see the smiles on people's faces. The launch of Canary Wharf has really met, if not exceeded, expectation in terms of how popular it's proving to be within the sector. You know, London is a thriving community. We're offering something completely unique and bespoke to the market, and we're really seeing growth within the popularity of this attraction. And that's leading us to look at future sectors within the UK and also globally, specifically the USA.
So for more information on all our products, or you'd like to discuss any projects that you've got, please visit theledstudio.com.
Contestant,